2 lots with great building size for the home of your dreams. Walking distance to RC Lake to enjoy the great amenities Southern Oaks has to offer, such as community boat ramp and dock, swimming pool and clubhouse to its members and residents. This subdivision is deed restricted to site-built homes with a minimum of 1,000 square feet of living space with no time limit to build. For more information or to view this property, call the Teel team at 903-874-0001. That's 903-874-0001.